Hello everyone, welcome back to Coin Official. So you got a coin collection but don't know how to preserve it? Check out this video. Every coin collector tried to preserve their coin collection in many ways. So we at Coin Official has come up with a beautiful commemorative coin frames. Let's dive into it. First up is our A5 size 10 rupees coin frame. This small but mighty frame holds 9 coins, perfect for your office desk. It's got super clean minimal design that looks amazing on your bookshelf or on your office desk. Got a bigger collection? No problem. Our A4 size 10 rupees coin frame fits a full of 16 coins. The best part, the frame itself is incredibly slick, so all the focus is on your coins. Now let's talk about 5 rupees commemorative coins, holding 9 coins with the same elegant style. It's subtle, sophisticated and a great way to add a personal touch to your workplace. And of course, we have a A4 size 5 rupees coin frame holding all 16 coins. This is the ultimate display piece for a serious coin collector. Each of this frame is designed to be a piece of decor. They are slim, modern and built to last, protecting your coin collection while making it a focal point. So stop hiding your collection in a box and it's time to showcase your true passion for coin collection. DM us on the given number to place your order. Follow @Coin Official for more such updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon.